Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy crypto with an Arculus wallet. First, download the Arculus wallet app from your app store and set up your account. Next, you'll need to pair your physical Arculus keycard with the mobile application. This secure connection is essential for all your cryptocurrency transactions. Make sure your device has a stable internet connection before proceeding to ensure a smooth setup process. This initial step is crucial for securing your digital assets. Once your Arculus wallet is set up, navigate to the Buy section within the app. Here, you can select the specific cryptocurrency you wish to purchase, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. You'll then enter the amount you want to buy, perhaps $100 or $500 worth. The app will guide you to connect a payment method, typically a bank account or a debit card, to fund your purchase securely. This step links your traditional finances to your crypto assets. Before finalizing your purchase, carefully review all the transaction details presented in the app. This includes the amount of crypto, any associated fees, and the total cost. To authorize the transaction, you will use your Arculus keycard, providing an extra layer of security. After confirmation, the transaction will be sent to the blockchain for processing. This usually takes a few minutes, depending on network congestion, before your crypto appears in your wallet. After your purchase is complete, you can view your new cryptocurrency balance directly within your Arculus wallet. The app provides a clear overview of your digital assets. From here, you can explore other features like sending crypto to another wallet, receiving funds, or even swapping one cryptocurrency for another. Remember to always keep your physical Arculus keycard in a secure and private location, as it is essential for accessing and managing your funds.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.